The wife is making cookies, but I'm going to race her with drone delivered cookies using an APP wing delivery app in Logan, Australia. I've never used it before, but check it out. Okay, this app has my address on there, so if you see something blocked out, that's what it is. Free Tim Tams, our treat. For me, Tim Tams. If you haven't tried them, they're pretty good. It lets you choose a delivery spot, but oops, that's our address again. Confirm. Review and check out. It's coming! Barry, do you want to come outside and wait for a drone delivery? No. Tonight, do you want to come out and wait for the drone to come? Look at you racing to make cookies while my drone is on its way. Turning the oven on like a fool. Oh my goodness. No one needs to see that. Okay. It is coming, right? Oops, I didn't press place order. Here I am gloating. Like a fool. Expected delivery in 8 minutes. They told me it would be 5. What do you got there? Cocoa powder, huh? Mine already has cocoa powder. No big deal. Alright, I'm outside waiting like a fool. Preparing order. Does that mean like 4 minutes until it's prepared and then they can send it, or 4 minutes till it gets here? Almost missed it. Here's the sun for you. Totally right in the sun. That was fast. It's breezy too. You can see it getting knocked around by the wind. Off it goes. Gone. And here's... oh, she's quite heavy. That is heavy. I should weigh it. So let's weigh this. My pineapple. Look!
What? What is that?
It's what the plane delivered. Do you want to open it?
Let's see what's inside. Let's have a check what's inside. I think this is better. What's it do for?
Oh my! Look at that. I didn't even order water. It gave us water as well.
Yeah?
Water.
And some cookies.
And Tim Tams.
Tim Tams? I don't like Tim Tams.
You don't like Tim Tams?
No.
That's more for Dad. Give me 5.
Oh.
You can have the water, pal.
Okay.
And the best thing is, we can recycle that water bottle.
Just a donut.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa.
Perfect. I'm gonna weigh all this. 831 grams. Nice. Yeah.
No thanks.
Don't you want some?
No.
What's this?
I'm
you working
busy.
on? What are you working on here? What are you making? Are you sure you don't want one, pal?
No.
It's just Dad. No one's impressed by this except for old Daddo. I'll take one. I'll take the second one.
你竟然要买 cookie， 你为什么要我做呢？
我没买，免费的，这都是免费的。Her ones are also pretty good though. Not bad. I'm just editing this now. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. That was pretty good. I almost missed it because I went to take a pee after I looked at the time there, and it came really quick. So